I welcome all of you to the organic chemistry class. Our class is benzene. Benzene is a molecule where we have 6 carbons. Each corner we have 1 carbon, and each carbon is also holding 1 hydrogen. So the molecular formula of this compound is C6H6. But it has one specific arithmetic, see the double bond, single, double, single, double. 3 double bonds are not at one side, but they are spread over the molecule alternatively. This particular structure will give some stability through the resonance, and consequently it has got a polarity and the other few more points which gives a very excellent stability that leads to give the aromatic nature. So aromatic compounds, aromaticity also we will take in this particular chapter. Now let us go for the how this compound is preparation. Preparations of this benzene. I just give the gist of this. We have a benzene containing some groups, like if alkyl group is there, let us say any alkyl group, it may be a methyl, ethyl and so on. When you oxidize with the potassium permanganate with the acidic medium or alkaline medium, boil strongly, what happens? The alkyl group, if it is methyl, we call toluene. If it is ethyl, ethyl benzene, all will be oxidized to their corresponding carboxylic acid. Though we have a long chain, also will become benzoic acid. Subsequently, what you do is you add some sodium hydroxide, it will become into the sodium salt. The 3 double bonds, you too can write like a ring also, because 3 double bonds going on rotating, and we don't know where exactly the double bond is there, where single bond is there. Now this compound, when you add a solid, this compound sodium benzoate is also a solid, you add sodium hydroxide solid and calcium oxide solid, go on, heat it. The reaction is called fusion, heating solids to get a liquid. Perhaps the first organic compound, because of the low the melting point, first the sodium benzoate melts and it looks like all the 3 are melting together, but actually the first sodium benzoate melts and all 3 will become into the single liquid form, and immediately the NaO and this part will become into the sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. So actually CO2 is liberated in the base, it forms into a salt, and then the hydrogen comes to the benzene. That is nothing but a benzene is holding 1 hydrogen, means it is nothing but the C6H6. So benzene can be prepared from the all alkyl benzenes can be converted like this. Alkyl benzenes on oxidation. Acyl benzenes also you can convert in this process. If a COR is there, much more easy to oxidize to get the benzoic acid, and subsequently we get it. Second method is if a nitro group is there. Nitro can be converted into the amino group by reduction process. Hydrogen and nickel, tin and HCl and so on. We have 2-3 different varieties of the reagents to get into an amino. It's a reduction. It is a reduction. In this reduction, we are converting nitrobenzene into the aminobenzene. Aminobenzene and treated with the salt sodium nitrite and HCl. These 2 combinedly will generate a OH and N double bond O. This is called a nitrous acid, HNO2. This is unstable acid, but can be easily generated by its salt and the acid. And you have to maintain a very low temperature like 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Then the reaction leads to give a product called diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. This on reaction with a reducing agent called H3PO2 in presence of water, this gives the benzene molecule. Okay, so that is the whole group is removed. It's again a reduction of diazonium chloride with the reducing agent is here. Is a unique reagent. I hope the moment H3PO2 you can guess it is used in the reduction of this the diazonium chloride into the benzene. Now similarly we have one more method where if a OH group is there, this can be removed. If a OH is there also, can be removed with the help of the zinc, and the zinc takes away this oxygen, it becomes into the zinc oxide, and you will get a reduction of phenol into the hydrogen, that is benzene can be formed. The zinc forms into the zinc oxide. And this is the removal of the OH, removal of the nitro or amino or alkyl or carboxylic acid. Finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different compounds we are able to convert into their corresponding the original molecule, that is the benzene, can be prepared. These are all conversions sort. In fact, it is not the synthesis of the benzene. In fact, we have some methods where benzene can be prepared other than the benzene containing molecules.